Welcome back to Tech Update, the place where you can find useful tech for you. Please let us know if you enjoyed the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. 1. ATC Midsize SUV Conversions. This Chevrolet Traverse upgrade provides wheelchair users with a new degree of mobility. It has a fold-down tailgate, a 31.7-inch wide ramp, and the ability to extract the seats to suit the wheelchair. The remote control makes it easier to get into the vehicle's key areas. The vehicle offers 65 inches of maneuvering space and around 60 inches of headroom, while maintaining a ground clearance of 6 inches, indicating that it is ready to operate not just on concrete but also on open terrain. 2. Automatic Car Sunshade. Here's an example of a common occurrence. You go outside to relax and have to park your car wherever there is space. As a result, after a day in the sun, the inside of your car feels like a cross between an oven and a toaster. However, you can solve this problem with an automatic folding cover. The model's dimensions are 6.5 by 13 feet. It can be set up in 30 seconds and unfolded in 8 seconds, and it provides protection from UV rays, rain, and surprises from birds. According to the maker, this cover can reduce the temperature inside the car from 167 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. You can even purchase extra attachments and use it on beaches, picnics, and barbecues. 3. Rear light drawers VW Amarok. A minibar under the taillight of a car may sound like something out of Pimp My Ride, but it's a real option for owners of this VW Amarok, adapted by the Swiss collective Black Sheep Innovations. The company observed that the space behind the taillights is often underutilized, and that it may be used to store items such as fishing rods and shark guns in addition to juice and beer bottles. The drawer on the left side is significantly shorter due to the configuration of the gas tank, although this is likely the main negative. The drawers are dust-proof and lockable, and they don't obstruct the light's performance in any way. The right-hand drawer is spacious enough to contain 6 bottles and cans of various sizes, and construction is so simple that the firm sells it as a DIY kit. 4. Dropracks. Have any of you ever wondered how much usable space on your car's roof goes unused when you're traveling? To change that, Norwegian engineers have created this roof rack that allows you to transport bikes, kayaks, and tents on the roof with just one person. The secret is in the unique patented design that allows the horizontal load platform to be dropped to chest or waist height. The trunk is manually operated and can carry 165 or 175 pounds depending on the version. Despite its odd shape, it complies with the worldwide DIN 75302 standard. It also saves time and minimizes accidents that are common when individuals move large goods. 5. König Easy-fit. The concept of tire chains was further developed and refined by Italian experts, and their product connects to the wheels so swiftly that it was accepted into the Guinness Book of Records. There have been numerous variations developed for heavy machines, but assembly is the same on all types. Simply put the chains onto the wheels, tighten the brackets, and you're done. It's just as simple to remove and takes up very little room in the trunk. It doesn't harm tires or rims, and it's created with current automobiles in mind. 6. Thule Tepui Foothill. With this Swedish idea, you can transform your automobile into a mobile home. The tent is meant to fit on the roof of a car, and it's simple to set up by one person. It has 2 beds. When the tent is folded, it collapses into a 122-pound bag. It has mounting rails to fit to practically any roof rack and is sturdy even when unfolded. The built-in ladder acts as a support so you don't have to drag all of your baggage off the roof. This is an all-season model, according to the manufacturer, capable of holding more than 400 pounds of static weight. 7. Right track systems. What should you do if you need to utilize trucks on rough terrain with low traction, according to Canadian engineers? Install a system like this. The removable tracks greatly increase the capabilities of vehicles and operate even in off-road conditions. They provide 500 to 700% more flotation, and various tractions can be chosen for different seasons, such as winter tracks with 2-inch high grouses. The tracks can be assembled on each wheel separately or on several wheels at once. The process takes about an hour and requires no special knowledge. 8. Load it. The producers of these loading systems urge that you take everything with you, including the kitchen sink, and they back up their statements with a stunning demonstration in which an ordinary pickup truck is suddenly capable of transporting a boat, a golf cart, and other huge equipment. The systems are composed of aircraft-grade aluminum and come in a variety of configurations for various vehicles. The most basic model has a load capacity of 400 pounds and can automatically lift and lower a boat up to 16.5 feet in length. With the remote control, you may unload straight into the water and carry jet skis, AFs, and other equipment. The system works in all weather, requires no expensive maintenance, and may even be used in RVs. 9. Tailgate modification. Preview. We've seen another mini bar in a tail light, but the possibilities don't stop there. The very same team at Black Sheep Innovations noticed that the Jeep Gladiator has even more room in the tailgate, so they created this kit that allows you to build multiple storage compartments at once. Once installed, there are two 12.2 by 8.4 inch compartments and one 15.3 by 4.7 inch compartment. All components are water and dust protected and can be assembled without a toolkit even by a child. 10. Tailgate seat. Engineers in the United States have devised a novel campaign chair alternative. Why transport furniture separately when you can build it right into the car? The structure has a load capability of around 500 pounds, which means it can comfortably support 2 adults or 3 children. The process of installation is straightforward. There is only one tool required. The backrests are removable and may be modified so that you can sit facing the trunk. The chairs include storage pockets for drinks, and the mesh base can keep food, firewood, and other goods if the cushions are removed. 11. Parking armor. According to the producers, this is the world's best rear bumper protection, since it protects the bumper from scratches, dents, and other parking mishaps. Steel-strengthened straps hold the gadget in place fast and effortlessly without interfering with the trunk lid. The protective foam is 2 inches thick, and the product is available in 3 sizes. The largest is 3.5 feet wide, with an outer shell that resists snow and rain and an interior that remains flexible even in cold weather. A key feature of the product is the patented flex body technology, which allows the device to adapt to the shape of the bumper, providing excellent protection. 12. ARB Frontier Long-Range Tank. People who drive long distances by automobile should seriously consider this idea, which is a lightweight and durable tank composed of a special polymer built specifically for diesel vehicles. The gasoline capacity of a Mitsubishi Pajero varies. It has a volume of 33.8 gallons. The tank is built of a unique polymer that is meant to endure even a run-in with tank tracks, and it is also incredibly light. A conventional steel tank weighs 110 pounds, while this tank of the same volume only weighs 48 pounds. It has a thickness of 0.2 to 0.4 inches. The creators advised that the original gasoline tank would have to be removed for installation, but the rest of the internal system is compatible with the model, and its unique design maintains the vehicle's center of gravity low. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Tech Update. On our channel we'll keep you updated about the most useful, new technology, and gadgets. Subscribe now and you won't be disappointed.